Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and I am back today with another crochet stitch tutorial. This stitch is called the Arruga stitch and it is a very squishy stitch. It reminds me a lot of the alpine stitch with how the stitches are offset in this pattern. It's really easy to do, so it's great for beginners. It's not super stretchy, so I think that it would be great for blanket projects and other things that are high traffic. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. Alright, we are going to start this off with a slip knot, and we are going to just chain in even increments. So I think a chain of 16 will suffice for today's swatch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, and 16. Alright, now that I have my 16 chains, what I want to do is I'm going to double crochet in the 4th chain from my hook. So not this guy that's on the hook right here. I'm going to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to work directly into that with a double crochet. If you're new to crochet, I have an entire back to basics tutorial back on my channel if you want to check that out. Alright, and now we are going to double crochet in each stitch along row 1. So just slowly make your way across each chain and I'll meet you back at the end of the row. I am almost at the end of my row, working on these last few stitches. And you want to make sure that you are working into that first chain that you made. Sometimes it can tighten itself up to where it looks like it's not a stitch, but it is a stitch. Alright, and that is row 1. For row 2, we are going to chain 1, turn our work. Now we are going to single crochet into the base of this chain 1, like so. Alright, and now what we want to do is back post single crochet. So if you're not familiar with back post, I also have a tutorial for that back on my channel. But the back post single crochet, what you want to do is place your hook behind your work, in between those first 2 stitches, or those last 2 stitches from the previous row. You're going to insert your hook between those. You're going to bring it across the front of this 2nd stitch and out the back again. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop so that you have 2 loops on your hook, and you are going to yarn over and pull through 2 to complete the single crochet. And this does the very same thing as all back post stitches. It draws the current stitch and the one from the row before to the back. Alright, now we are going to make a front post single crochet. So similar concept, only we are going to bring the hook forward. We are going to go between the 2nd stitch of our row and the 3rd. We're going to make the hook go behind that stitch and out the other side. Okay, and then you're going to yarn over, pull your loop up. You're going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops to complete your single crochet. We're going to do that all the way across. And it's okay to kind of fiddle with this so you can see your stitches. And just take your time so you don't snag any of your loops and whatnots. working my last front post single crochet, and then I'm just going to place the single crochet into the top of that chain 3 from the previous row. And this is row 2. Now on to row 3. We're going to chain 3, and you can either do a regular chain or you can do the alternative chaining method or the stacked single crochet method. I've heard it called that also. Alright, to bring your stitches up to height and also eliminate any gaps. What we're going to do now is double crochet into each stitch along. There's 2 stitches, 3 stitches, 4 stitches, 5 stitches, 6 stitches, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, and that is the end of row 3. So to continue this pattern, you would continue to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you reached your desired length. I'm going to work up a few more rows of this, and then I'm going to tell you how I prefer to close off this stitch pattern. Alright, I have worked up this stitch pattern a few more times, and now I'm going to show you my preferred way to finish this off. Obviously, if you finish this with a row of double crochets, it's going to look weird. So what I prefer to do is chain 1 and turn my work. And what I'm going to do is do a final repeat of row 2. So I'm just going to do that back post. Single crochet, then do a front post single crochet all the way across. Alright, and I'm going to, of course, end the row with a single crochet into the top of the chain 3 from the previous row. And I can fasten off. Like so. And if I turn it on the right side, it looks like this. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future crafty content from me. Typically, I'll post crochet tutorials on a Sunday at 9:30 a.m. CST. So if you are into my videos, then hopefully I can be a part of your craft journey going forward. If you want to further support the channel, I do have a coffee page, so you can buy me a coffee. You can also go follow me on Instagram. I have a newsletter that you can also sign up for to get crafty news regarding Infiniti Craft & Co. Something fresh coming up is my production of a small batch of yarn bowls. I am so excited to share my pottery with you guys. So if you want to be one of the first people to know about that, you can sign up for that newsletter over there and be one of the first to know when the summer update hits the shop. I think that's all I had for today. Thanks for watching and happy making.